Hello all and welcome to weeks 7 and 8 of American National Government, the halfway point of the semester. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but it's a fair amount of work, so let's get into it. The presidency and the Supreme Court are what we're looking at this week specifically. So this isn't anything too terribly out of the ordinary. I have a slide deck. This slide deck is fair game. Hint, hint, for the next test. If it's doing what it's doing right now on your computer, you can just hit download. Oh, and now it decides to work. This is everything that is important to know about the presidency, all the articles. It is not as much as it seems, very much like the readings. Keep in mind, I use this in an in-person class, and I'm not, putting all the information up there all at once. Okay? So don't be put off by the length of the slide deck. But I know a lot of you have left positive feedback for me about these lecture videos, so I have those up as well. If you'd rather not go through all the slides, you can listen to me give a talk about them. Then the textbook readings, again, we've talked about this. It's no more than probably 14 pages tops. You're going intro, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then wrapping it up. So the assignments on the presidency, there is a quiz, all right, worth 36 points. You should definitely read the chapter in the book on the presidency. Hint, hint, the slideshow will help you too with this. Now, the next assignment, if we can click over to it, the next assignment has to do with the president's war powers. So you are going to click on this. It's going to take you over to the Bill of Rights Institute. You're going to read through the narrative here. All right. And I have these 5 questions here posted over on Canvas that you're to answer. All right. There's no need to worry about the extension questions. Just these 5 questions are what I want you to focus on. All right. And that will cover the war powers pretty nicely. Then we move on to the Supreme Court. Now, there is a chapter in your book about the courts. Don't worry about that. As I say, you're only going to be held responsible for what I've posted here. All right, so don't worry about it. The chapter on the book in the book is relevant and pertinent, but in a national government class that's 16 weeks long, that's 100 level course, I don't know how in the weeds we need to get. So we're just sticking with the Supreme Court. So how a Supreme Court justice is nominated and confirmed with the right. Then here are the documents that I'm using in that presentation: nomination and confirmation, then a slide deck. All right. Then we go down here to the Supreme Court assignment. And this is really a very simple thing. It should take you 5 minutes tops. It's a couple Google searches. Then this, the Supreme Court web quest. Don't put this off. It's some work. All right. You'll learn a lot, hopefully. But it's some work. So if you put this off to the night before, you're not going to be successful. So work on it a little bit over the next 2 weeks, a little bit at a time. Alright, that should do it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, reach out. If not, have a great 2 weeks and enjoy learning about the presidency and the Supreme Court.